From the 2D to 3D SOLIDWORKS. Automatically convert the drawing is great for sample parts, whereas it's necessary to form the only convert in the hood or in the cutout. In fact, for complex configuration, models have to do everything the old-fashioned way by hand. Create skates on plane and convert the models using the futures. Some example: sketch rectangular, okay, and exit from sketch, and extruded boss base. Create extruded boss base, some length. And that plane, create new sketch, some circle, exit sketch, and that sketch circle, some extruded cut, throttle, and maybe some add some polygon. Old-fashioned way by hand.